Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Today we're going to be making a bird feeder. I'm going to show you what you need, then go collect your goodies, wash your hands and come back, alright? So, on our tray, we need a butter knife because it's not sharp so you'll be safe, an empty toilet roll, some bird seed, some peanut butter. On my tray I've got a little piece of paper over here just so I don't ruin my tray while I make my bird feeder. Okay, quick sticks, go get your things and I'll see you now. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to cover our toilet roll in peanut butter and then gently sprinkle the bird seed on top of that to make the bird feeder. Now, the bird seed is quite bouncy, so it will make a mess, you will get peanut butter on your hands, but that's fine because when we're done, you can clean it all up and then you can go wash your hands. Alright, shall we get started? Oops. I think I might need some more peanut butter, but not much. And there we go. Our toilet roll is all covered in peanut butter. I'm going to scrape the knife off on the edge of the jar so I don't waste any peanut butter. And then when I'm done, I'm going to wash this nicely and then rinse it. Now for the bouncy bit. Oops. Oops. And there we go. We have our bird feeder. I think I forgot a spot here. I did. There we go. So now you can take your beautiful bird feeder and you can go and find a nice spot in a tree for it or somewhere near some water, and then you can watch all the beautiful birds in your garden come and have some lunch. If you don't have if you're allergic to peanut butter, you don't have peanut butter, you can use almond butter or macadamia butter. Alright, please send me pictures of all your beautiful bird feeders and send me any pictures of birds eating your bird feeder. Have a good day. Bye.